Mars, the red planet, which is fourth from the Sun, is full of fascinating features and filled with various geographical wonders. The largest known volcano in our system, Olympus Mons, and the largest known canyon within our solar system, the Valles Marineris, both reside on Mars and fascinate scientists and enthusiasts alike. Nestled in the Tharsis region near the Martian equator, Olympus Mons is the largest known volcano in our solar system, and it is presumed dormant. It reaches roughly 16 miles high, and it is about 2.5 times larger than Mount Everest, Earth's tallest mountain. At its widest point, it stretches 374 miles across, and it is theorized that Mount Olympus Mons was created in a similar way that volcanoes create land masses on Earth. However, due to Mars having a third of Earth's gravity, it was able to reach taller heights. It is also theorized, due to the ancient lava flow imprints just east of Olympus Mons, that there could be subsurface heat, which scientists theorize could mean that Olympus Mons could still be active. In addition to Olympus Mons, there exists the largest canyon in our solar system, the Valles Marineris. It is a Grand Canyon-esque formation on the surface of Mars, located along the equator of Mars on the east side of the Tharsis Bulge. At about 2,000 miles long, it stretches for nearly a quarter of the planet's circumference. Scientists believe that the Valles Marineris began its formation roughly 3.2 billion years ago as a result of tectonic shifting beneath Mars' surface. In addition, rock formations and patterns left in the soil indicate that there were periodic floods which occurred in the stages within the canyon that helped to carve it out. In addition to flooding, groundwater began to leak from the walls, causing erosion and collapsing the canyon walls, making it wider. Water emerged from the canyon wells as springs and seeps and carried away sediment in its wake. This sapping process left round-headed valleys that slowly retreated from the rim of the canyon. These massive geological structures will play an essential role in the future of humanity in terms of how they are studied. Eventually, Earth can study and observe these formations closer and more in depth than from a satellite. The geological evidence found within these two massive structures will help us understand more about the planet's history. Suppose they find out that Olympus Mons is still active. In that case, it may lead to building geothermal plants on the surface to provide power, giving the Earth an option for power source beyond solar and wind, making the exploration and maybe eventual long-term habitation of the Martian planet a real possibility. Mars is indeed a fascinating planet, and one that we will be studying for years to come and constantly be learning about, to the point of maybe colonizing it.